episode number 4 in Cobra, the mini-series. In this one, H is for Hurricane. Now, Hurricane Motorsports is who I bought my Cobra kit from. It's the one you guys have been watching the build on. I'm happy with it. I love it. I love the way I've been treated there and so on. So I'm going to be a little bit prejudiced, obviously. But what I want to show you in this one is kind of a profile of Hurricane Motorsports and why I chose the one I did. You may have the same focus or focuses on a Cobra build that I do. You may think some of the things I'm worried about are a waste of time and there may be a better fit for you. That's why I'm doing these. Let's take a closer look. We're going to get a little closer look inside the place, looking at the cars, looking at some pictures. Hey, let's see if we can compare it to a Kirkham that we know are spot on dimensions wise and see how that comes out. So come on with me, let's take a closer look at this Hurricane deal. Okay, I went back and visited Hurricane actually twice. This was my second visit, and that's when I saw the body of my car sitting on the floor. That was a pretty fun moment, of course. This body is not sort of like, it's not close. This body, the mold for this car was taken off of a CSX 3000 car that was in restoration. That's one of the things that was very important to me, is that this body's right on the money. So this is HM 2029. That's a frame that ended up in my car I got to see on my visit. This frame's very well made. I really like how they gusset the turn angles on the frame you can see there. Now if I could wave a magic wand, it would be a 4-inch round tube frame, ladder frame like the original cars. Other than that, I really like how it's made. To me it looks very well built. You can see there's holes there in the driver's side foot box because it's got floor mounted pedals. That was another thing that was very important to me, that this car was period correct. Floor mounted pedals. It's not a dash mounted one. 95% of the Cobras you see out there that are replicas have got dash mounted pedals. Doesn't seem like a big deal to some people. It's really what I wanted. That was their Coyote powered car they had there. Alex took me for a ride in. It was a great riding car. Hurricane also has a body shop, assembly shop, and so on. They can build it as a rolling chassis. They can build it as a turnkey minus, and saw one there that was a finished paint and it looked really nice. So they can build the car in any stage that you want it built in. Here's a couple of their finished cars. Black one with silver stripes and silver one with black stripes. Okay, as far as options they've got, they build obviously a 427 SC car. Big block car with side pipes and so on. The dash layout in it is correct for the SC car, which I really like that. You can also get a street roadster big block car from them, which has undercar exhaust and has the appropriate dash layout for the under exhaust car that didn't have a hood scoop, the street roadster. What we're going to do here is we're going to compare two Kirkham cars to a Hurricane car, and these pictures are taken from very similar angles. The two aluminum cars are Kirkhams, the black one is a Hurricane. I've looked at these up close. The proportions, the angles, and everything on these cars look like they came from the same builder. So really exciting to me how close I should be able to make my car to look like the real deal. We're only about halfway done with Cobra the mini-series. That's 4 out of 8. I got 4 more to go. I'm going to get these ramped up as quick as I can, get them up on the channel, and let you take a look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.